Today's Bible verse comes from James chapter 1 verse 5, King James Version. If any of you lack wisdom, let him ask of God, that giveth to all men liberally, and upbraideth not, and it shall be given him. James 1:5 states, If any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives generously to all without reproach, and it will be given him. Here's a breakdown of the verse. Number 1, if any of you lacks wisdom. This verse acknowledges that everyone at some point can feel a need for a wisdom or guidance in their lives. Number 2, let him ask God. It encourages people to turn to God for wisdom, rather than relying solely on their own understanding or resources. Number 3, who gives generously to all without reproach. This emphasizes God's willingness and ability to provide wisdom, stating that He gives it freely and without hesitation or judgment. Number 4, and it will be given him. This is a promise that God will indeed grant wisdom to those who seek it with faith and sincerity. Amen.